It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to a new DEX alert. I've got one coming from the Vision Protocol. Many of you probably haven't heard of the Vision Protocol or Vision Network. We're going to go over that first before I do a deep dive into the Vanswap.org platform, which is the largest, most active DEX on the Vision Network. And stay tuned to the end because I'll give you some details on how you can join this awesome project and get you some tokens at a lower price, even though this ends today. So you may want to stay tuned to the end and get more details on that. But what is the Vision Network? Well, let's go over that first because, again, many of you probably don't know what that is. It is a blockchain network solely based on providing the greatest possibilities for projects to build on the metaverse. A very little known blockchain. You can check them out at v.network. But again, this is a metaverse blockchain that's focusing on the game engine and metaverse ecosystems. So they're looking to really help you roll out your vision, no pun intended there, by providing you a network that's fast, that's scalable, and that is efficient. Vision not only highly values efficiency, but scalability as well, and not to mention the cross-chain compatibility. They run an Ethereum virtual machine base, so any code that you build on Ethereum can be ported over to the Vision Network, where you can run and integrate and migrate over to their platform with no problem. So again, I won't go into details with this, but they have a great staking system over there if you're looking for an area to stake some tokens in a proof of stake type of platform or environment. You may want to look at Vision right now. Their current APY is 47.94, and your estimated rewards at this point, if you staked 743,000, almost 744,000 VS tokens, that you will get that 49, or I should say 47.94% APY, which is excellent right now with a minimum lockup of 46 days. Again, not going to go into full details. I just want to give you guys some backdrop on what Vanswap is and the VS token. Right now trading $1.30, up 1.5% today. It is on CoinGecko, so if you guys want to check that out, just type in VS and get more details on the historic performance of this token, a little bit more about it and all that good stuff. All right, but back to what we're looking at. We're looking at a DEX, a decentralized exchange that is built on top of this Vision chain. They are called Vanswap. Vanswap.org is the website. Get over there. I have a link in the description of this video if you want to find out more information as I go along with you in a deep dive over this DEX. So they are the #1 on Vision's protocol. They have over $19 million in volume daily and a liquidity pool of about 2.9, just shy of $3 million worth of liquidity. So a decent amount to be such a new DEX. You can trade, you can earn, you can mint NFTs, you can do governance, and they have a referral program as well if you're interested in that. In addition to that, the Launchpad, which you can learn and invest in promising projects through that Launchpad. Okay, they have a DeFi plus NFT model. What does that mean? Well, their unique model allows you to take their Van token, which is emitted through farms and pools, to incentivize liquidity providers, whereas the NFT is incorporated into the governance system. The Van token distribution is pretty fair. 72% of the Van token will be set in the vault. There's a seed round of 6.5% allocated over there. For liquidity is 5%, and then there's the 3% for the IDO, which is just concluding today. You'll be able to participate even if you miss the day of the whitelisting for the IDO by buying on July 29th in a few days here. So you still have an opportunity to get in potentially low. Okay, if we're starting to swing back up in the crypto markets, this might not be a bad time to take a look at this. The roadmap goes as this. Van token is their focus for this first phase, which will be the public sale, which is going on now. It actually starts on July 29th, as I stated. The private or whitelisting was ending and wrapping up today. Launch farms. They want to do launch pools, community building in their first round of marketing. Then they're going to head over to the NFTs, then the launch pad, and then the growth phase is where they're trying to reach $100 million under total value lot. They have big name partners like Vision Daily, BitKeep, and MetaMask. Now, a little bit about, I'll leave a link to this in the description of this video, but there's a Medium post. I won't go through the whole thing on how to create your Vision address. It's slightly different than your typical MetaMask Ethereum integrated address where you have the 0x in front of it with the Vision network, and which Vanswap runs on. Every address starts with a V. So you need to follow the instructions you see here by going to the Google Chrome store and downloading the VTimes extension. But if you're using Android or iOS, you can download their app as well to get it right on your phone. So you'll need one of those to participate with this airdrop and also buying the tokens in the public sale. You need to sync up and coordinate your MetaMask wallet to sync and connect to the Vision network. I'll have a link again for this and how to set this all up in the description of this video. And so just to reiterate, their wallet is called VTimes, and you'll need to download that. There will be a link for all of that in the description of this video, as I stated before. Vanswap just about a month ago closed on $1 million round of private funding, which is great to see in a bear market. That should give you some confidence in their vision and what they pitch to their investors to allow them or convince them to give them over $1 million in private funding. It was led by Blue Mountain Ventures and the Vision Foundation. Their Van token distribution and emission is very, very fair. Okay, I won't go through it in detail. I just skimmed over it earlier, but this Medium post goes into it a little bit more. I'll have a link for this in the description of this video as well. And so by the time you see this, you're probably going to miss the whitelist IDO round for this Van token. However, you can still participate in the public round. There will be this will allow any user to participate in the allocation and price. A fixed amount of Van are available, 1.8 million tokens, and they will be provided as the supply, and then users can put in as many VS or Vision tokens as they want into the pool publicly. The final allocation is determined by the total VS shares deposited by the number of users. And I want you guys to go follow them on Twitter, Van_swap. They have over 6,000 followers at this point, a new account, and they're growing rapidly. So you want to get over there to get the latest on this new release, this Van token on the Vision network. You got to look at these gems, these small networks you've never heard of, because they could be the next Solanas, they could be the next Polygons, and so on and so forth. So check them out. Link is in the description of this video, along with the accompanying Medium post that will help you navigate this new blockchain, this new network called Vision network, and the Vanswap is running on top of that. All right, so check them out. Public sale starts July 29th. You should definitely take a look at it and let me know your thoughts on it after checking this video out. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys share, and make sure you guys subscribe. I'm out of here. Holla!